I'm so excited. Napawis kami, friend. O, diba?
Yung palas. Picture.
Cheetah. Guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, di ba narinig niyo yung flash? Ang sarap ng morning tae niya, no? So, ayun, time check. It's already 8:05 in the morning and we are here now in Denver. So excited. I just woke up and look at my hair, it's so messy. So I don't know what is the plan for today. Maybe we're gonna go to the gym if these people are very productive and have an energy to do it.
Yes, let's do it.
Wow. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do my skincare and go to the gym. Do you have your gym attire?
You're my gym attire.
I see. So ayun, ito lang ako ng CR mag-aayos. Ano na? Good morning!
Hello guys, good morning. This is Angelica.
Anong number mo? Anong number mo?
970.
Sinabi nga niya. Ayop ka. Saan ka mag-audition today? Di ba may audition na model ngayon? Yeah. Model? Magmo-model siya sa Las Vegas.
I don't know.
Diba? Ang dami naming alam sa life. Bangon na mga kababayan ko. Mga kababayan ko. I'm just gonna get ready, do my hair, do skincare, and brush my teeth. So, let's go. See, I don't know who gave this cute Corex here, my travel skincare. Okay, they're so cute. Mm-hmm. On. And now, ready na tayo. We're gonna use our top and bottom from Alo. Hi, Alo. Ka naman. So, this is the outfit for the gym. Doing gym. So, like, palda-palda lang. I don't know. Pero ito lang yung nadala ko for today. Alo, thank you so much. Ang ganda ko! Oh my God, wait. There's like a good mirror here. Ang ganda ko. Oh, tas din niya mo mag-model tayo, ha? Pak! Ganda! Cute nung outfit ko today. Hi! Ang ganda, ah! Hala, sino siya? Sino siya? Ang galing niyang gumili. Anong gagawin natin today, coach? Hi! Good morning, you all. Policia! Policia! Attitude ka. Dawa ka. Attitude ka.
And ready?
Ganda mo dyan.
Ganda.
And good morning, Denver. Oh my God. Hi, I'm in a city now. Ata. O, diba?
Perfect.
Photoshoot pala to, eh.
Ganda, no? Cute. Hello. Vlogger din ako.
Oh, bakit?
Hi.
We're going to the gym na. I'm so excited. Napawis kami. So, time check. It's 8:44. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do treadmill. productive kong friend. O, diba? Nag-treadmill lang ako kasi I'm not allowed to lift pa kasi yung muscles ko and I am, positive for press out. So, papapawis lang ako dito and nagwa-warm up lang ako. And, pinagpapawisan na sila. So sexy na nila. Oh my God. Ew. I am cooling down right now. I'm just done. I'm just done. Peppa Pig. Di ba?
Ay, ang ganda. Ang cute doon. Yung palace. Picture mo ako dyan.
Wala simbahan yan. Alam na tayo di sa nagsisimba eh.
So, welcome to Denver. And yeah, magwalk lang kami and then we're just gonna have some coffee. And the weather is nice, of course. And ayun. So happy na kasi nasa city na ako, city girl.
Oh.
As a city girl.
Ang ganda mo.
Diba? They're so pretty. Kami.
Mukha kong preso.
Ano yung susunod?
Hi, Angelica. Oh, diba? Ay, ang ganda mo dyan. Uy. Ang ganda ni Angelica. Nasaan tayo? Nasa Little Owl kami.
At 401.
401 Hotel. So downtown Denver, and then yeah, we're just having some coffee over here. I do have a iced vanilla latte. What do you have?
Ice mocha.
Ice
With
mocha.
almond milk. I get ice mocha. Ay,
Gaya-gaya siya.
Ano ba ang milk mo?
2%. Charot.
2 person.
2%. 2% yung milk niya.
Masisira na yung friendship natin.
Matagal naman na sila.
Nagkabalikan na nga lang tayo. Kinuwento mo ba sa kanya? Props.
Sama mo yung camera para nag-vlog talaga.
Hey, ay, ang ganda niya. Oh, kita-kita yung little owl.
Ang ganda pang mayaman. Para maluluto.
Grabe, nakabuti na lang dito tayo.
yung story mo pang mayaman pero behind the scene.
Kasi
Ginagawa mo to kasi para magkapera ka. Ito na nanapok, no?
Mayroon na yun kasi.
Ganun siya.
Ano mo yung parang nag-date tayo, tapos yung parang tawa tayo ng tawa, tapos ganito kami ng
Parang
dalawa. Yung parang appear kami ng appear. Tapos yung parang nasanay na ako kasi di ba pag Pinoy yung parang sino siya? Ang bangis niyang bumili.
So, ayun. So, we are back sa hotel and may ginagawa ako. Napaka-importante bagay nung ginagawa ko. So, yeah. It's already like 10:10 and maliligo na kami, magre-ready, and then we're gonna go and hit the shopping mall. So excited! Guys, so as you can see, I already have my attire for today. So, naggawa ko na rin yung hair ko. So, kulot-kulutan lang tayo. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and say hi.
Hello guys! So, you can see that complete na kami for
Complete
now.
na kami.
But, last na po namin itong vlog.
Ayun po, tinuturoan ko po sila ngayon mag-makeup.
Tangina ko naman.
Tapos yung isa, tinuturoan ko siya paano gumamit ng Dyson. Oh, yan. Ikot mo.
Ikaw kasi yun.
Yan. Tapos spray mo, pakain mo. Tapos ganon.
Makatamad naman ito, bakla.
Hindi mo siya gaganon. Tatanggal mo siya pababa. Diba? Ganun lang.
Mamaya bibili ako nito ah.
Oo. Bibili natin ng mga bibilihin mo. Ako bahala sa makeup mo, shape mo. Dapat pulpa ka na. So, magagawin.
Tingnan mo, bakit ang ano ko?
Ano?
Pangit ba?
Ano ang pangit?
Tingnan mo.
Siyempre sa ilalim gagalunin mo. My God!
What next?
Bronzer. Oh, gamitin mo ito. Namimili na ng makeup si sister. We are all set. I'm ready. This is my outfit for today. Simple top, jeans, and my Gucci bag. And yeah, I'm so excited! And this is my makeup. Are all done. And we...
Yung ano natin ba? Yung shades natin.
Where's my mic? Where's my mic? Where's my mic? This is my outfit for today. Let me see your outfit. Look at her.
The pants are Abercrombie, the shoes are Charles and Keith, the bag is Prada, and this is Divisoria.
Let me see your outfit. Angelica, outfit shot.
Hello guys! So, I have a bag from Gucci. Thank you for sponsoring hair and makeup from Rayon.
Ray.
Rayon! Tutorial.
Wow.
And then Gucci belt.
So,
And then overall, Shein.
hi guys, good afternoon, and here we are. I already dropped my box and ship it to the Philippines, and now we're just having a quick lunch, small food. We are now here at what's the name? Kona Grill here in Cherry Creek, Denver. Yeah, we're just gonna have small snacks and time check. It's 2:38. So later we're gonna have dinner at Matsu and like same area. So yeah, I'm so excited.
Right? Another day. Y'all been in before?
No, we're actually visiting
From where?
from Aspen.
Asheville. Okay, cool. Well, my name's Roberto. I'll be helping y'all out today. I'll get you guys started with something to drink.
Ayun, umu-order lang sila ng food. And magiging Peppa Pig na naman kami for the second time today. But, ayan, nag-coffee lang naman kami, so okay lang. Hi! How are you loving the weather outside here in Denver?
The weather is perfect for me. It's kind of warm. I love it.
Bag raid na lang kita. Bag raid. So we're gonna do some bag raid. This is her Gucci bag.
What's inside of my
The Vasoria. And what's inside her Pampers. And she will having a lip gloss. Ooh, a Versace perfume. And finally, her most important thing that she always don't remember.
Thank you.
Her wallet. So this is my first time here in this restaurant. So I just have a ginger ale to drink, not ginger beer. I don't drink beer, so yeah. So we do have here the food. Sobrang gutom na kami, so kakain na kami. Ang cute! Oh my God! Ida mame. Focus kasi sa mukha ko, tamo on, siya nagpo-focus dun sa ano.
Sabi niya pinagalitan niya sa before kasi sobrang ang hango ng edabake.
Ano? Siya? So good. Now we're gonna try the burger.
Hindi na, ano lang ako, naka-use lang.
Ano ba yung tatak?
Ha?
Ano yung tatak? Good. How's the food? Enjoy. So, mga Peppa game, mga Peppa talaga kayo. Oh, di ba? Shopping time. Time check, it's 8:37 and we are getting ready to check out. And double check lang kami ng room and then aalis na kami and we're gonna have some Korean barbecue for lunch before heading up to Aspen again. So, let's go. Angelica, ang ganda mo. Oh my God, like the outfit check. So, yeah, we're now here in 6th Street in Denver. Picture lang kami and then we're gonna go ahead. That's so cute. Like, hi. Oh my God. Gusto mo dito? Picturean kita dito. Isa pa. Ganda mo. Isa pa. 10:19 and nagpa-photoshoot lang kami. So, yeah. Yeah. Ang init. Sobrang init. Oo, diba? So, friends support other friends. Anong masasabi mo ngayong araw na to? Last day na natin.
I'm so happy! Yun lang.
Ang arte niya, nainis ako. Sis, wala pa. Char. Dapat nagwa-walk ka ganito, sis. Yeah, we're now here in New York. Magpa-vlog tayo sa New York. Oh! Hi! Welcome to New York. Hanap naman ng gwapo to si sister ko. Dahil heels pa. Naka-heels talaga siya. Oh my God, nawawala na kami, guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Gyukoku, Denver, and then magla-lunch lang kami. And after nun, babalik na kami ng Aspen. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We're just about to cook now. Oh my God, it's time to eat! Ano yun?
Rice na parang
This is ready to enjoy. It's the cucumbers, one of my favorite appetizers.
Thank you.
Yes. Right? No, yeah. If we did, I probably would have ate it all. So. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you po sa pagluluto. Ganda, oh. Wow, smoky effect pa, Tara. Smoky, smoky. Kung di ka galit sa akin, sabi mo, hep, hep? Oo nga. Hep, hep?
Si Raul. Hooray!
Ay, nawala na siya. Mag-order pa ako. Order pa kami ng rice. Gusto ko pa ng rice. Gusto mo pa ng rice?
No, thank
O, diba? Yan yung mga bet ni Giselle. Nakita nyo ba yung bet ni Giselle sa likod ko? Yan yung mga bet niya. Yung mapapatingin siya sa langit. Kita yun sa video yung reaction ko nung tumanggi. Sabi ko. Diba? Mga bet ni, ganan. Ano yan ang future jowa mo, sis?
Baka makita sa vlog. Ayoko.
Kain na lang siya ng kain, no?
Ano yun, Day? Naman? Mukha namang mamamatay tao.
Ay, hindi, gago. Nagsundalo yan. Kaya ganyan yung aura.
Tapos sa'yo, binibili.
Patingin.
Dami ko na nakakapit sa akin. Sabi ko, huwag ka na mag-inquire. Hindi ka papasa dyan. Sasayan ka. Ikaw.
So ngayon guys, tapos na kami kumain there. Sa Gyogoku, aray, ang sakit.
Diba?
Tapilok pa ako. So ayun, tapos na and then we're heading back na sa kotse. And yun, ito na yung end ng vlog ko and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye!